In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails from promotions to primary in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an email that's stuck in the promotions tab and place it where you'll actually see it, your primary inbox. First, sign into your Gmail account using your usual browser. Once you're in, look near the top of your inbox for the tabs labeled Primary, Social, and Promotions. These tabs help Gmail automatically organize your messages. Primary is where your most important personal and work-related emails typically go. Promotions is where marketing emails, newsletters, and deals often land. For this process, we'll be working inside the Promotions tab. Click the Promotions tab to open it. Take a moment to scan through the list and decide which message or messages you want to transfer. You might be moving a newsletter you always read, a receipt you want handy, or a message from a service you consider important. The goal is to make sure it doesn't get buried among other promotional messages in the future. Once you've found the email you want to move, place your mouse over it, click, and hold. While holding down the mouse button, drag the email up to the primary tab at the top. You should see a subtle visual cue that you're moving it, and when your cursor hovers over primary, it will highlight. Release the mouse button to drop the email into primary. That's it, your email has been moved. To double check, click the primary tab and confirm the message is there. This simple action helps you keep important messages front and center. It also gives Gmail a hint about the types of emails you prefer to see in primary. Over time, these small adjustments can make your inbox feel more accurate and easier to manage. If the Promotions tab is busy, use the search bar at the top to quickly find a sender or subject, then return to Promotions and drag from there. If you accidentally let go before reaching primary, no worries, just repeat the drag and release. You can repeat this move with any other emails you want to keep in primary, one at a time, following the exact same motion. Click, drag, and release, and you're done. A quick sign-in, a visit to the Promotions category, a careful pick of the email you want, a drag over to primary, and a release. Keep this habit going whenever you notice something important landing in Promotions, and your primary tab will stay clean, focused, and truly useful.